SOLIDWORKS Simulation Professional includes the features of simulation standards and comes with advanced simulations, which is an intuitive virtual testing environment for frequency, buckling, thermal, event-based motion, and advanced interaction and connectors. Let's take a look into the features of SOLIDWORKS Professional Advanced Simulation. Powerful examination tools for the natural frequencies of a design, with and without loops and boundary conditions. You can ensure that the natural modes of the vibration are away from the environmental forcing frequencies. A harmonic resonance may occur and lead to excessive loops, which will result in failure. Also assess the effects of the loop stiffening on frequency and buckling response, indicating that the design will meet the required service life. Enable you to perform thermal analysis at any stage of design to ensure that every component and assembly perform properly within expected temperature range. You can study conduction, convection, and radiation heat transfer, determine the combined stresses and deformations due to the structural and thermal loops. Simulates complex machine operation and validate the sequencing of the design to ensure correct operation, product quality, and safety. It gets you to witness how your product would move in the real world and measure the forces and loops while you design, helping you correctly size the motors and the structure and confirm the timing. It benefits the company in reducing the need of costly prototypes, eliminating reworks or delays, and saving time and development costs. Have your CAD toolbox fasteners translated automatically to connectors for fast and accurate assembly analysis. In addition, access an extensive materials database with metal properties and fatigue curves. Contact us now to know more about virtual simulation solution.